Hey guys, this is Angela. I got a request from my future sister-in-law to make a matching-ish painting to the one that kind of came out looking a little too Georgia O'Keeffe. And I told her that it would come out sort of, I couldn't promise that it would come out the same. The thing with acrylic pouring is, you know, paintings never come out really like sisters, they're more like cousins. So I did layer the paints roughly the same way that I did last time in the cup, and I'm gonna do a jiggle pour again. Hopefully comes out less Georgia O'Keeffe this time. And let's see what we get. Still gonna spray a little bit of silicone. I'm gonna pop some air bubbles first so the silicone doesn't go too crazy. I'm just gonna put a bit maybe up here, just so that there is that little cohesive bit between the two. The other one isn't quite as blue as this one. Put my finger in that. Great job. That's all right. Next to each other, but really, since you've already seen this one, I'm going to kind of focus on this one. So the black is much more black in this one. I feel like it came out a little more gray in the other one, if that makes any sense. Maybe I had more silver in the other piece. was a little worried that they kind of wouldn't go together, but I think they work together. I don't know. They're definitely cousins. They're definitely not, you know, identical twins. But I'm gonna show it to my future sister-in-law and see what she thinks about it. And if she likes it, then fabulous. And if she doesn't, then I will recreate, and maybe it'll come out more like the one on the left, or maybe I'll get another one closer to the one on the right. Either way, hopefully the third one will be the charm. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all next time.